Subscribe to my YouTube channel for easy English learning.
Where's the check-in counter? It is over there near the entrance. Can I see your passport, please? Yes, here it is. How many bags are you checking in? I have 2 bags. Do you have any carry-on luggage? Yes, just 1 small bag. What is your final destination? My final destination is London. What time does boarding start? Boarding starts at 3:30 p.m. May I have your boarding pass? Sure, here you go. What is your seat number? My seat number is 12A. Is this the line for check-in? Yes, it is. Can I change my seat? Yes, I would like a window seat. Do you have any liquids in your bag? No, I don't. Please remove your shoes and belt. Okay, no problem. What is the purpose of your visit? I am traveling for tourism. How long will you stay? I will stay for 1 week. Do you have anything to declare? No, I don't have anything to declare. Is the flight on time? Yes, it is on schedule. Has the flight been delayed? Yes, it has been delayed by 1 hour. Which gate is the flight from? It departs from gate 5. When does the plane take off? It takes off at 6 p.m. What time will we land? We will land at 9 p.m. Where can I collect my luggage? At baggage claim area 3. My luggage is missing. What should I do? Please report it at the help desk. Is this your bag? Yes, it is mine. How long does baggage claim take? Usually about 20 to 30 minutes. Is there a trolley available? Yes, near the entrance. Where can I find a taxi? Outside the arrivals terminal. Is there free Wi-Fi at the airport? Yes, there is. Where is the restroom? It's down the hall on the left. Are there any restaurants here? Yes, there are several upstairs. Can you help me with directions? Sure. Where do you want to go? What is your name? My name is Ollie. How old are you? I am 10 years old. Which class are you in? I am in class 5. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Who is your class teacher? My class teacher is Mr. Ahmed. Where do you live? I live in Karachi. Do you like your school? Yes, I like my school. What time does school start? School starts at 8 a.m. What time does school end? School ends at 2 p.m. Do you do your homework daily? Yes, I do my homework daily. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Ahmed. Do you play sports? Yes, I play cricket. What do you want to be? I want to be a doctor. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Do you like reading books? Yes, I like reading books. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. How do you come to school? I come to school by bus. Do you help your parents? Yes, I help my parents. What is your school name? My school name is City School. Do you wear a uniform? Yes, I wear a uniform. How many students are in your class? There are 30 students in my class. What is your hobby? My hobby is drawing. Do you like your teacher? Yes, I like my teacher. What do you do in your free time? I play games in my free time. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is football. Do you watch TV? Yes, I watch TV. What is your favorite day? My favorite day is Sunday. Are you happy at school? Yes, I am happy at school.